Ubingelela baba udokotela baba isizwe baba ujabulile sithi happy cold day. We are in July, kuningi okwenzeka ngoJuly sinomjaho ke obakhona ke lana Durban in KwaZulu-Natal, Republic of South Africa. Umjaho wamahashi iDurban July. Boom. Kuzokuyaphithizela amahhotela agcwele sibonga kakhulu ke ngepolice visibility. Angikusho nje lokho. This is baba udokotela baba isizwe baba ujabulile fan club. Sinento esibiza ukuthi iDurban Metropolis. Last time I checked, it was 1977. I remember it was 1977. Sasihlala ku Grey Street. Sahlala ku Grey Street. 1977 sihlala kwaMula. Kunamaphoyisa that was supposed to be Durban Metro, but kwakungama blackjack. They were hitting people like nobody's business. Ushayela ukuthi uyabona, awenza ngalutho ushayela ukuthi uyabona, ushayela ukuthi awukhali, ushayela ukuthi uyakhala. Ushawe umuntu omdala, ushawe uyingane. I remember that day ama blackjack ejomba kwakuthiwa ama spin cop. Ama blackjack ejomba uthango ezosibheka sifihlwa ngaphansi kombhede. That was 1977. But today sibonga kakhulu ukuthi sinento esibiza ukuthi Durban Metropolis. Those are really community policing people. Amaphoyisa ngempela, amaphoyisa eTheku, amaphoyisa urban area, amaphoyisa kaMetro. Siyabonga kakhulu. The way they treat people, the way they approach people, it shows policing. That is what we were missing in 1977 ukuthi ake sibe namaphoyisa njalo. Kodwa namhlanje sinamaphoyisa enza umsebenzi. Ayazi ukuthi umemisa wena amisa client lawo. But last time we checked 1977 ama blackjack ayimisa enemy. Today ayazi ukuthi amaphoyisa bekumisa wafana nothisha abashaya ama client abo. How come a teacher could be attacking his or her client? Ngoba ingane elethwe kuwena iclient lakho leliya kodwa wena lelo lihlasela uphinde ushaya angikho lapho. Ngisekutheni siyabonga kakhulu ngempela esingake sikhohlwe ku SAPS uyayazi into ayenzayo. Stand there, watch these people doing what they do, and they don't intercept ukuthi interfere ukuthi kwenzeka lana usubanjwa ngo1 uyashawa. Yabo nje kule nsuku bengihamba ngegolf golf 6. iGolf 6 yazi ukuthi hamba abantu abagangileyo bengiphethe nje ihamba ngegolf 6 and amaphoyisa ayibukela nje ngidlulela not ukuthi ngimiswe ngiseshwe ivule imoto embarrasswe ngilaswe phansi. But at least in South Africa now we have what is called real policing community by police force, real community policing community, not ukuthi dobula qala ubuze umbuzo late. No, sinamaphoyisa namhlanje baba udokotela baba sizibojalo mfana uhlelekele umzulu amancanyesi angeke ngikuveze lokho yonke into ke manje eqoqene neNedbank, yonke into iseNedbank iqhelaza kuphela. Baba udokotela uhleli manje e19 floor 1904 to 1905 kine studio ke lapha kine studio. There's a door in 19th floor. Ungena ihlezi ovaliwe. That door, it leads to my studio. Ilapho ngenzela khona ke izinto zokushutha. Ngine topic enhle namhlanje ethi ishesha lengene. Siphethe ishesha lengene ishoshozela le mali sizokhuluma ngaloko kubantu. Okunye ke ngifuna ukusho lo. This is isikhafu lesi was brought one of the MK members or a businessman who uses MK to run his or her business. I'm not too sure. But tell him promote le ikhafu lesi. Okay, fine ngikho ikhafini. But abantu abayifunayo ufuna ngisho nginamba yakhe yonke into. Okay, good. What I did ngibese ngimthi before ngikwenze lokho. Ngicela ungenzele izikipa lezi unezikipa zezafunze MK nezinye izinto ze-MK azenza informant nje. Ngase ngamnika umsebenzi engawunika umuntu omnyama. Number 450 Windermere in Durban. Ngisibeke lapha. Commanders. Number 450 Windermere Street. Kunabantu abamnyama lapha benza izikipa. I gave them same job. Lona engunika umdaba sendiya. I gave them same job. But iskipa esisodwa bazosenza ngo 385 rand. Yabasho njalo. Abasho bathi 385 rand iskipa esisodwa kule quality engangiyifuna. Ngathi mina ngifuna iskipa ezo50. Ngifuna izikipa ezo50 nginikene better deal. That is not more than 300 rand, but nginikene better deal. bathi sebebale baqeda, there's no way that ngangilindele ukuthi mina bazothi babudokotela we will charge you for a material and then we hamba uthenga imaterial siyithenga lana usidilivele yona sizokuprintela. Ngangilindele ukuthi bazofika kulo level ngoba if wenza ideal as a business person ubona ukuthi client lakho i-customer lakho you are about to lose him or her, uyakwazi ukuliconfronta ngeqiniso ukuthi okay ufuna ngwenzele ama-blocks, ngidayisa ngama-blocks la ekhaya ayimali engaka, ngiyawakha ngodayisa, kodwa wena uma ubona ukuthi ngiyabiza ngicela wena uyongithengela ihlabathi elingaka, ungithengele usemende, mina I'll use my yard time and my labor to make blocks for you at 450 instead of 750. Konke lokho ngizothi bona bazange bafinyelele lapho ukuthi hayi Dr. Zoma hamba uthenga imaterial, siyithenga la imaterial usithengele ngaka ezokwazi usilengana into engaka, usithengele ukotino ngaka, emva kwaloko thina sizothenga u-ink la sothenga khona because inkwethu esosenzayo uyi-patent, sothenga u-ink la sothenga khona mase sikwenzela ke sisetshenziswa imishini yesikhathi, then uzokhokha le mali ke obuthi ufuna ukuyikhokha. Abazange tshengisa ukuthi abantu abakithi abamnyama bakafinyeleli kwi-maturity business. Uyakwazi ukuthi uma udila ne-client ube versatile, ubende but unga break. That is why sithi versatile, bend without intention to break. That is why utebezele bende abakwazi ukwenza lo lana ke le ndiya leli ngilinike ukuthi alingenzele ikipa ezu10. You really don't want to know ukuthi kunike iphi offer, an offer that I could not contest, an offer that was so much ngathini opium hype ukuthi ngile this offer is best, I can even accept these keepers nami ngenze ezikipa ngesidayisi because if lo muntu ene access engaka ekipeni, but sifuna ukubona ukuthi uzokwenza. This is babu Dr. babu sizibojabulele. I'm begging people ukuthi abantu abamnyama ngiyeSwazini njengoba ngiseSwazini le isikhafu lesi funa basibone eSwazini, bangangijwayeli bangithatha nje kanjalo, funa basibone eyazi ukuthi MK neSwazini we are launching i-embassy eSwazini. This is babu Dr. babu sizibojabulele. Lana ngifuna ukukhuluma nabantu ngento esibiza ukuthi imali esheshayo. Bakithi angeke ngikhulume lento, sinabantwana lana abacrop ama video kababudokotela bawa replicate. In Johannesburg I've got one engimholela ngeke ngisho ukuthi ubani, ngimenzela istipend. Istipend sakhe sidla, you cannot resist it, sidla istipend sakhe. In KZN I've got somebody as well naye futhi ungikrophela ama video awa promote. And then enye indlela leyo yokuthi asibaholeli asibaqashanga because they just do it for fun. We look at their volume yabo, viewership yabo, which you know these people that are doing something, we have to njengoba budokotela do something about it. Not that ngiyabaqasha is I don't have money ukuthi ngibaholele, but I can give them stipend. Lesa stipend it goes a huge mile kubona. Believe you me, istipend ngoba bakwazi bapost ama video ngoba bese mall besebenzise iWi-Fi, not their data as well. And I don't force them to do it. They do it for fun. And I said, kulo fun wabo, okay fine, let me just do something. Ngisho ezinye funa sizibukeni kwelinye ihlo ngoba lento kade yenziwa ukuhleka ama video nani. Yes, ukudlala ngama video that's beautiful. But it pays ekugcineni, it pays as long monetize ama video umuntu, that person must do something about it. This is babu Dr. babu sizibojabulele follow pleasure kahle mzolo amancane ngayisolo futhi ngiqolisa. Kunentombazana futhi naye ebivamise ukulingisela baba Dr. ngayinika ioffer ilokhu ipledge ka 2000 rand no bamba la seswami iyayisebenzele right, bamba la seswami yajabula futhi because akaza ayicele nje wayezenzela umdlalo wababa Dr. and then she ended up getting paid. Yeah, this is babu Dr. babu sizibojabulele. Namhlanje ngifuna ukukhuluma ngemali esheshayo. Nginemali esheshayo engiyakha ngo12,000. Le mali esheshayo angiyakheli unoma ubani. Sinabantu abanama visions angefani. Yabo. Sinabantu abanama vision angefani when it comes to money. Yabo. Kunomuntu umbuzo ukuthi njengoba uthi ufuna imali esheshayo ka 2500, what is your intake? Uyithini into yakho? Umi kanjani? Athi hayi ngifuna ukwakhela uma umuzi. Uyabona once washo njalo sokungcwabile mina. Uma wakho she's 78 years old. Partially blind. Unenkinga yokuzwa amadlebeni. Ubaba wakho vese uhambe na 62, akunankinga ke lokho. Kusela umama ona 70-80. And then wena uma ufuna ukwakhela imali esheshayo, ithi into yakho babudokotela nimase nje ngingwakhela imali esheshayo, mhlawumbe ngene ekhasini ngishaya imali engaka. nawusele ngokwakhela uma umuzi lo ma uzohamba na 81 years ushithi uzohlala kule ndlu 36 months izingane zakho lezo izathu amantombazane ngokuhlukahlukana azinakhaya lo yamuzi nje obwakhile wakini akona wakho wakini wakhela ekhaya wakini awuna access kuyona unless kuhlangana umndeni onkuyivume lonto izingane zakho zizoba nganakhaya kusasa ushayiswa imoto udakiwe ku freeway ungakhokhelwa khubazeke uthi uyohlala kulaa muzi usune liability ekhaya kufuza ukuthi kube umuntu onamastable la udinga wheelchair you cannot ikini lelo lakhile you cannot ngoba abantu into afuna bayicabangele number 1 ufuna ucabangela abantu abalethe emhlabeni of future children njengoba ufuna ukwakhela imali esheshayo sifuna ube umuntu o vigilant ukuthi okay baba dokotela if mina ungakhela lo msebenzi lo ngingangena endaweni ukuthi ngithathe imali engaka ngingena endaweni ukuthi ngithathe imali engaka ngingena endaweni ngithathe imali engaka number 1 into engayenza ukuqala ngathenga franchise I can buy myself a franchise that is number 1 lo muntu ukutshengisa ukuthi uvuthiwe hayi umuntu athi baba dokotela mina ngingakha ama flat ngifaka abantu abaqasha le nto leyana yama tenant it's a public hostel because once you died no one will pay rent akekho umuntu kini ongarentisa abantu aba100 akekho umuntu kini ongarentisa abantu aba50 akekho umuntu kini ongarentisa abantu aba20 wena njoba kumanje uhlula ukurentisa abantu aba3 abahlala egcekeni how much more ukuthiwa rentisa abantu aba20 abanye abantu into eziningi bazikhuluma at a theory level mina ngiyinyanga kumele kwendabuko ama most highly illiterate person highly illiterate not literate highly illiterate angifundanga kakhulu ngeZulu engisho ukuthi ezinye izinto engizikhulumayo are things that I have experienced are things that I'm aware ngazo engithi mina ngikutshela so ngikutshela into engazi ukuthi I have passed it and survived it and I don't want you to go to the same routine as well then ke thatha imali wakhela abantu ama tenant abawu5 abawu10 abawu20 kuyabaziba rent once washona kuyabaziba rent simple as that I have tenants as well I've got flats I've got places of rentings and ngikhuluma ngento engiyaziyo khuluma ngento abanye bakhuluma nje theory level yabo because babayathi ukuthi kuyadlalwa kudlalwa la ufuna isikhuluma angifuna singene le imali esheshayo ngene imali ke esheshayo esiyenza ngo12,000 bese kuba khona esiyenzayo ku50,000 rand kube khona esiyenza ngo50,000 rand ifuna sithole imbuzi bese sikhipha igazi la ovalweni kwena bese sikhipha igazi la kuhlangana khona iziphanga kuwena sikwakhela le mali eshesha idinga ukuthola iringi bengizokwakhela yona u50,000 khipha igazi ngemuva sikhipha igazi ngaphambili bese sithathe le gazi sihlanganise nomsebenzi lo imali esheshayo sokumixe ndawonye bese le ringi la ngamuva bese siyifaka lo muthi leso staff la phakathi bese so staff leso uyeka ngazuthi uyoma negazi lakho then bese ngithi ke mina nginike imali yembuzi noma nokangaya lapho but uma uthanda ukubona leso sithenga khona sithenga kwaBhasa eNewlands in case you want to know thenga imbuzi lapho umuntu esifazana sithenge ensikazi indoda sithenga indoda kule ka 50,000 mase le mbuzi lena ngithi usuyibona isithenga imbuzi yes mase nginomuze ke avoka la ngenza khona izokhohlakala ngiyithathe ngiyise avoka nginensizwa lapha kuthiwa ukhala bemgesi sifike siyibulale le mbuzi but mase soyibulala le mbuzi siqale siyigwinyise le ring mase kuthi ekseni siyibulale le mbuzi mase sithatha umswane wayo sibheke le ring le ukuthi iphi siyikhiphe le ring le yile ring ke ezokwazi ukuthi siyisebenzise nomswane sowusebenzisa neinanzi soyisebenzisa nomhlwehle sowusebenzisa imbuzi ngizoyidlela yona mina wena don't have to see it igazi yonke into udinga ngoba lapho sokungathwala usukukhandela nje umsebenzi omkhulu ngoba abantu abalengana awukwazi ukuthi ungafuna challenge ama-tender aka Eskom 100 million 150 200 million imisebenzi emkhulu kodwa uthi uno 2500 even iselfone yakho ibiza 3500 ukushuthi awukho serious ngeke ufaka amateki ka 6000 uthi uno 2500 ufuna ukwenzela into enhlanhla no ngeke zenzeke lonto lezi zinto zifuna sibe nenqondo sicabanga into esishoyo lana nginemali esheshayo ka 12000 nemali esheshayo ka 2500 le ka 2500 iactivatewa ngecode kune code engikunika yona othatha iphepha elimhlophe uthathe a black pen ubhale le number engizokunika yona uthi 5417 times yangizothi 10 ubhale le code 5417 times. Uma le code usuyifunda, uyifunda ube serious, ufunda le code ungathi uyaqala engathi uyagcina. 541 541 541 up to 7 times. Try to be sincere. Try to be sincere. And thereafter muse uyayithatha ifoni, smartphone, ubeke le code. Thatha u5 rand ubeke le 5 rand ngaphezulu. Ngoba sengiyakutshela ukuthi kwenziwani lapha. Imali esheshayo kome sakhela umuntu ke 2500, but uzothi ke na lena ke ka 50000. Angiyakheli noma ubani, umuntu othi babudokotela ngizofika lapho nginawo 50. Imbuzi uyangithwalisa ngayo. The answer is no, angekuthwalisi ngembuzi. Imbuzi eyakho ukuthi ngikwenzele lento aba into esifuna sifuna umswane, sifuna imbuzi igwinye le mali. Lento ixovane nomswane la ngaphakathi. Ingaze imbuzi ikhiphe, ufuna thina siyibulale kuseni. Bese siyikhipha ke lento. Bese sesiyakwenzela ke lento ke. Yeah, this is Babu Dokotela Babu Sezibawujabule mfana omhleje akhehle nomzulu amancikisi. La ngifuna ukuyikhuluma lento. Abantu abaningi mengikhuluma I become a laughing stock. Uthi uyabheka lo muntu okuhlekayo. Wayidlathe zakhe ngathi Steve Papa esalizolo. Idlathe ngathi Steve Papa esalizolo. Uyabuka ukuthi lento lena yilehleke ividiyo ihleka noma ngoba ngisho indebe zakhe uyabuka ukuthi lo muntu njobe ehleka nje. Uyahleka uhleka ngathi customer zambani elicwecwini. Awuboni noma indebe noma ama customer zambani acwecwini. Ungahleka ama video babudokotela unless uwazi ukuthi okay siswami i-lipstick lip gloss uyifakile kwathina sithi siyabheka hey wenzekani lo sisilobo ecicwa mazambana emlomeni kodwa akasisho lutho engisho ukuthi this is Babu Dokotela Babu Sezibawujabule mfana omhleje akhehle umzulu into engifuna ukuyikhuluma labakithi le ukuthi inento eyenziwayo njoba ubona wena usegoli una 4 years usegoli wahamba empangeni una 4 years useThekwini washiya eOphongolo ayikho into elungayo kuwena ayikho into elungayo kuwena kunento abayenzayo ethunini lakini njoba uwumfelokazi zikunetha induku uno diabetic udla ama ARVs une pressure ayikho imithi into esebenza kuwena ama ARVs kuphela but nawo asayikhuphula i-CD4 count yakho i-diabetic yakho usuyajova kanti into eyenziwe listen to me carefully ke lento kudabula enkulu impama ke especially wena ke uhlekani into eyenziwe ethunini lakini it is huge. They normally do this. Bathatha umuntu ekuthiwa uMafavuke idangabane baligaye le dangabane libe impuphu mase befaka le mithi u3 ngeyikhohle igama layo ngizoyibuye ngibheke mase beya lapha ethunini bathelela umuthi ethunini mase bekhulume bethi ngithi sibanibani uvuka uyolanda ingane zamfowenu ngoba zihleke ingane zakho ukuthi zafele oyisa sinalutho ukufa kwabamncane wakho uma sesiyavuswa ubamncane wakho ukufa komkhwena wakho uma sesiyavuswa umkhwena wakho uma bemvusa umkhwena wakho verse actionini wakhe kunezimali ezizophuma awu understand obvious kunemali ezophuma njengomfelokazi aba expect abafowabo ukuthi wena uzospenda la kubona uzobathengela amaveni ubelungisela ukuthi wenze ukuthi ngemali yendoda yakho ongeke uphinde futhi uyithole le ndoda you understand unengane onazo okufuze lengane zezikoleni zifunde zenziwa into eziqozenza ukuthi kodwa ba expect le yonke imali uzoyispenda la ekhaya uma usonothathe initiative noma isinqumo sokuthi hayi uyaphuma noma ubuyela kini ngoba isimo sinje la emzini hamba uthenga indawo wakheke lapho ke la uzophinda futhi ukwazi ukuthi ungenise khona abadala wenze nomsebenzi wenkomo omkhwena kulowo muzo ngeke lapha emzini lakho kodwa into abazoyenza ebhlunguke lela thuna bazomvusa lo yamuntu mase bemthume kuwena ukuthi akakulande uma esekulanda lo muntu ushukela wakho uzocompromise uze ujove singeke sithi uyibuza ngoba mina ngiyonke into ngiyenza kahle but nothing that is helping me comes to youth sinabantwana abaningi abastake endaweni zokufuna imisebenzi nothing is happening because amathuna abo lo mntwana ugijeziwe ehostel eGoli mase kwehliwa futhi uyagijezwa futhi ugijeziwe siwe Rustenburg mase kwehliwa futhi egijezwa ugijeziwe liyeso Limpopo mase kwehliwa futhi uyagijezwa amathuna wabo bayasebenzile laba bantu bawasebenze in a sense that labantu mebevuka abavusela babenzele ibhadi bavusela ukuthi babalande ubona wena ujahwa amaphoyisa ubona wena ujahwa abantwana babangani bakho ubona wena utheswa athi emsebenzini kunalento efuna ukuthi wena ufe yilento ezwethunini lakho engisho ukuthi it came to my nerve ukuthi I can no longer tolerate. Yes, I stopped ukulayisha iquantum kodwa I can no longer tolerate ngoba lezi zinto lezi bayanda abantu ababuya ne deficiency eyodwa bangena igama lesingisi deficiency usawazi futhi nawo njengoba ngiditshelile LV ngane oyazi uthi i deficiency kimi ngeqiniso LV le ngidothe imali in LV yabo mangabe manje nemali nje ngicabanga LV ngibuyisela 20,000 ngibuyisela oyazi LV uthi imali ikhohle. This is babu dokotela babu sezibojalo mfana umhlanje ekhehle imzuzu amanzi ngisolo futhi ngiqolisa ayibona lento le i Red Bull le Red Bull lena ibhala ukuthi sugar free le Red Bull le. Okay, I am a diabetic patient. Ngizokutshela something. Ucela ubona umuntu ephuze Red Bull wagcina ngosikomodo naye seyicelebrate angabothoka nje wabothoka sona kwamondo ngathi uthi ithayi le quantum eselihlele egarage la ke angifuni ukuyisho ngamabomu lento la le Red Bull le mina nansi treatment yamashukela engiyisebenzisayo. Okay fine anginankinga ke ngiyithathela la ngithela la. Okay fine kulungile kufanele size kule Red Bull uma unoshukela you want to drink something hype without compromising ushukela kuwena go for Red Bull sugar free. If une challenge nalo ask anyone to give me the result because lento esiyenzayo lana kuntshela tested and proven otherwise ukuthi lento ayiwenzile ukuthi ushukela but angisho ukuthi uphuze zonke insuku kodwa nje ufuna into ezokunika amandla energize yourself you can have it if unoshukela it will ayizwenza lutho kushukela wakho. It tastes sweet but it has never been sweetened. Engisho ukuthi kushukela i-right kakhulu ushukela nje ku-right kakhulu ngifuna ukuyikhuluma ke lento la abantu siyalwa sizinyanga siyalwa sizangoma siyalwa singabathandazi siyalwa singabafundisi ukulekelela laba bantu asazi thina ukuthi behind them and listen to me carefully hayibo I wish I stepfather son ngijwayela kabo wena songijwayela kabo wena ifuna sikhuluma lento uyamsiza umuntu kanti ngemuva kune spirit esimduplicateile akungilalela ukuthi ngithini kune spirit esizibiza ngaye ukuthi naye akafe oyena ungofileyo uyamthola lo sisi yonke into right fundile nganomuntu eze TV journalism akho into elungayo yenze plumbing yenze anything that you can think of maritime uyenzile kodwa ayikho into ephumelela kulo muntu okwesifolo unyaka agraduate eUNIS akwenze kulutho usebenza call center senza Shoprite usebenza kwi-case u-spokesperson na-case uyabuza lo muntu kwenze kanjani kwi-qualification yakhe what has happened to qualification kune spirit esimduplicateile esavuswa ethuneni simbambele asifuna enze lutho uma ufika kwabudodela ngizokulayisha iquantum mina lento lezi sekufuna lo muntu owenze leyo nto zathi simgodokisa abona kunesikhathi la obulala umuntu ube neremorse kunesikhathi la obulala umuntu uthi sokuxoxa phambili ukuthi wena wawenzani wawuthi abantwana bomunye umuntu ababenjani ngalo ndlela sokulayisha thina believe me sizokulayisha thina ungakholwa sizokulayisha thina ugqihile sizokulayisha thina ukadiwe as long uhlukumeza abantu abaweak we will come hard kuwena will come very very hard. Mina ke angiyona lenyanga kuthiwa idinga isithombe ayisidinga isithombe sakho ngikulayisha mina ngikulayisha mina ngikulayisha ntamama ngikulayisha ungabasukeli abantu abangenza ngalutho abantu abayiphilela impilo yabo nje abangenandaba na kodwa wena ufuna ukuthi ingane zabo ihlupheke. This is babu dokotela babesizibojabulele angizolonge nisiza nina ningafuni ukwenza lutho if ngikusiza you also have to do something yini mhlakani yini ehlekisa into esho ngifuna menginisiza buka njalo labo phaqa bakho bonke banjalo ngaphaqa kuvela amazwana ngathi amazwana akho uyabona uma wabe unganakanga la isithupeni ungathi ukwatapheya ungazi ukuthi ubhatata lovuthwe kakhulu isithupha sakhona sibosijana sivuvukele sithe kodwa sathamba sathi wonke amazwana uthanjani ngathi ama fried lawa phekwa amaPakistanini na waqala sathi ungathathela ububo ukuthi ayizwane lo muntu kodwa bubo uthi hayi lana sifuna ukukusiza bakithi funda ukuthi ngikhuluma nawe uhleke this is getting personal abantu bakithi babulawa into ezabo ezikubona lezo zinto ziyababulala kodwa zikubona bafuna ukuzidedela awutshalwa upopo egcekeni bakithi lento ngifundisile ngayo ever since nga inception e-TV kababudotela ngingena futhi lana ubunyanga basendulo ngisasho into efanayo ukuthi upopo awutshalwa egcekeni usalukwazi hamba uyehluhluwe ngoba uwazi too much wena hamba eBhambanana njengoba ngikutshela nje hamba manje eBhambanana hamba eHarding ubheke le mizi engikutshela ngayo mina hamba esikhaweni ufike ubuke le mizi engitshela etshala upopo egcekeni uthi njani hamba eMalahleni ubuke la mizi etshala upopo uthi njani ufike eSoweto ubuke le mizi emalokishini abatshala uSoweto uthi injani eGrasmere lapho ubhoqweni ufike ubuke laphana ukuthi labantu abatshala upopo emagcekeni imizi yakhona injani eMbalenhle fika ubuke lapha njengoba egodola kumanje na ukuthi njengoba betshala upopo nje imizi yabo injani asutshala upopo egcekeni asuutshali upopo egcekeni njengoba nolapho nje silenge nje ulapho nje eMaritzburg buka omakhelane bakho laba abatshala upopo lapha esigodini ukuthi banjani lapha eSkopo ukuthi banjani uhamba uyofika eLandskop ufike ubuke ukuthi ngempela labantu bakowinene abatshala upopo egcekeni upopo asutshala egcekeni upopo isihlahla esingenawo amagatsha asisitshala egcekeni a tree that has no branches we don't plant it in our yard because that attract the spirit of poverty so-called mammon demons they dwells there they stay there and they start to consume anything around that is available ekhaya you don't plant all that lezi zinto lezi siyanifundisa kube sangathi thina ababudotela ilento kade ibheme eBackville yebo lezi zinto lezi asizitshala ekhaya lento asizitshala ekhaya kunomuthi ekuthiwa uphondo lukaBhejana we don't plant that ekhaya izinto lezo ezenza inhlupheko ekhaya there are things that ozitshalayo there are things that ongakwazi ukuthi uzitshale the best thing you can afford to plant ekhaya the best thing of all indlebe lendlovu lo muthi ekuthiwa ukulapha indlebe yawazi lo muthi lo indlebe lendlovu the best thing you can plant ekhaya best of best umvuthuza can plant it ekhaya those are the things that okwazi ukuthi uzitshale ekhaya those are the things okwazi ukuthi uzitshale ekhaya ngoba manje lezi zinto thina siyasebenza ngapha sizinyanga usuka le wena egoli awuze ngisho awusayi ngisho kini eMtuba uza straight kumina ngiyakwakhela lento kini batshala upopo kaMsane lezi zinto lezi asizitshali ekhaya ngoba kunezinto okufuze ukuthi zitshalwe kodwa kunezinto lezi ekufuze ukuthi zingatshalwa ngoba manje sizoleka isilwa thina silwa kodwa silwela into engenamsebenzi ngoba vese ekhaya automatically we have allowed umoya wenhlupheko ukuthi awungene this is babu Dr. Babu Sibojabula umfana umhleshe ekhe nomzolo amancinci angesolve futhi ngibolisa yabona ke la iphuza lento le ngizokutshengisa iphuza kanjani kodwa abadodela la kuyona bangidanga nozala abantu that was 4 months ago bathi ushukela wami is too high it was sitting at 8.9 or something base bathi bazonginika i-treatment ngathi mina no animencane kwi-treatment emva kaloko ngahlala 3 months ngingayithatha i-treatment yabo I went back kubona wabuya ushukela wathi 12.7 or something asana wathi 12 point something washo uDr Gani wathi Dr Zoma ushukela wakho is too high now I have to take a decision it's unethical to see you ngathi mina no leave me now I'm starting the medication I will surprise you ngayiqala i-medication le le medication le nginika abantu le angidlali mengithi kunya lento ngeke uzukholwa ngayiqala ngase ngashona khona futhi thatha amagazi you don't want to know from 12 point something down to 4.8 that's a 30-day report 30 days ushukela wakho usungaphansi kwa6 awusena diabetic lapho wonke ama symptoms kashukela exhausted aphele wonke bengijuluka ebusuku bengivuka ebusuku sathi ngayophaka ngidle eshiselwa zinyawo ngezikhiphela ngaphandle bekina wonke nje ama-symptoms ongacabanga ngashukela akho ngisho wodwa ngisho ngi-right nje ubaba udokotela into engifuna ukuyikhuluma la ile ithi lento kumele uyazi ukuthi abantu abahluphekayo listen to me carefully abantu ababroke anyway are very noisy izolo I was in one of the restaurants ngihamba nomunye wabasebenzi bami kuthuzilungile Mthembu ngamtshela ngathi mina uyazi ama restaurant angempela kade ngise Intercontinental Hotel in Johannesburg we were so close to each other but bengingabezwa abanye abantu abaketafuleni ukuthi bathina because they've got money abantu ababroke they're so noisy they speak louder than anyone and then ayikho into okwazi ukumtshela yona because that person knows everything and lapha banemali they're shy to speak and thereafter even esontweni abantu ababroke abanqena ukunikela kathathu afika ninikele ngo10 rand kabuhlungu kanjani phatha kunikela abanye mase kunikelwa kwenye round afika jikjela u50 rand uyesa uphethe kanje khona enzobona uyonikela ngo50 rand mase kunikela sekuzohanjwa wenza sure ukuthi u100 rand uyesa uphethe ngesandla I remember this is off record muthi angirecord sisasonta no Sifiso Ncwane kwelinye ibandla engekwazi ukulisho sasinganikeli thina njalo siNosifiso sasinganikeli njalo wefika nikele ngo20 ahambe kuphele kanjalo 20,000 ahambe kuphele kanjalo hayi kodwa weloku ebhambe mekuthiwa nginikelile kofike ngithi ngisho angingisho ukuthi malini kufike ngithi ngishiye kanjalo kodwa hayi ngizoloku ngipampa ngifuna ukuyikhuluma lento ngoba why do I say that abantu ababroke they are so noisy they want to be heard first kunabo bonke abantu abayi ibona abafuna ukuthi balalelwe into eyenzekayo ile abantu ababroke banethendency ukuthi they must work very hard lento yokusebenza ngokukhuthala workaholic it is a genealogy of slavery because you're coming from the slaves unaleyanto ukuthi you have to work very hard for everything all the times you have to work very it's a slave mentality leyanto le there is no guarantee I repeat there is no guarantee ukuthi lento oyenza kakhulu it will return imali the way you want it ukusebenza kakhulu it does not guarantee wealth because bonke abantu abaphethe imali yangempela namhlanje are those who didn't work very hard mina mengisebenza listen to me carefully uma ngiqede early okay angichaza e10:01 ngine wellness place e19 nginesigodlo sabadokotela PTY Ltd uma la ngiqeda ngo3 ngivale lapha phezulu mhlawumbe bakuphele ngo2 ngoba abantu basesigodlweni abantu beseklinika befana boshukela nani abantu abahlezi befika njalo yabo then uma ngiqede early and then ngo4 o'clock uma ngifika ekhaya ngeke ungibone mina negeja ngiclean egcekeni ngiphula ihlahla ngenza ukuthi ngijuluka ngiqoka amadansane so that you'll see ukuthi ngiyasebenza no I don't work like that I don't work uma ngisebenza mina ngifika nje I've got my own place like men's cage nginayo yonke into ongayicabanga yonke into cisha depa nginayo yonke into ongayicabanga into okujima yonke into right kulungile uma ngifika I set up myself very well mase ngibeka icushion ngithatha yonke and thereafter I work online using my mind and my hand. That's all. My fingers. That's all. I'll work like that. Not ukuthi uzozungibone ngifukuza ngezange ngoba leya nto leyana engifuna ukuchaza ilokho. Abantu abanemali when they work they strategize and they plan to reach some goals, but they set up the strategy and they follow that strategy that they already created, and they're so disciplined. Not ukuthi kufuza ukuthi nalana uma ngifica lana ngicwenga imithi ngibhizi nami ngenza nokuthi ngigudluza izinto ngithi ashalelene ngangapha kuthi hayi babudotela naye ungaphika ukuthi uyena oqasha indlela abhizi ngayo everywhere. No, I don't do that. I set up the strategy planning ngendlela right. I put people there. Angiyazi ukuthi yonke into izokwenzeka izoflow ngendlela engifuna ngayo. I've got somebody obhekene no driver, I've got somebody obhekene nama calls, I've got somebody obhekene no WhatsApp, I've got somebody obhekene nama order, I've got somebody ekitchen, kune-kitchen like obhekene nokuthi abasebenzi badlileni kudliweni kukhona ukudla, kupheka ukudla, imiphela inyama kufakwe inyama, kuphekwe inyama kudliwe. I've got all that. Engisho ukuthi lento yethu ithina ukuthi sizosebenza kakhulu ukuze ukuthi sibe nemali. It does not guarantee that. It does not guarantee. You have to be focused. Rich people, they focus and they strategize. And they keep on that and lento abizosinika ama-result right. Engisho ukuthi lokho ufuna ukwazi ukuthi njoba wena usenza lento yenzayo njengamanje ufokoza nje. Your body will reach up to intolerance behavior. Umzimba wakho uzongayifuni lento ngoba sayisebenzele. And thereafter engifuna ukusho futhi ukuthi lento emsebenzini yokufika early ngo 10 minutes 30 minutes uhlale ema change room, it does not guarantee wealth kuwena. Ikhampani i-recognize ukuthi uma usuklockile wangena emshinini wasebenza waklocka waphuma, that's what they recognize. Aba-recognize ukuthi ufika 30 minutes early 20 minutes early. Angeke usho futhi lokho lento kwakho kufika 30 minutes early 1 hour early according to kuma camera ama security lapha we suspect bakusola ukuthi uzontshontsha kunento ozoyenza lengasile. That is why you need 1 hour early time, we need 30 minutes early. Kunento wena ufuna ukuyenza uzoba funda umqondo ukuthi ama-security amove kanjani. We suspect and then try to be 15 minutes early, not 1 hour, not 30 minutes early, because that will never change anything. You'll die poor and you came in this company poor. Simple as that. Early work does not guarantee wealth even at work. Njoba ubona umqashi so-call iboss yakho ifike ngo-11 ngo-2 ngo-1 uthi hey bayajabula basebenza kusakhaya buko bafika isikhathi. You just don't know. You got no idea. You just don't know what he was doing. You literally don't know what he was doing. That is why la kuyimanxifa kwenye indawo ufike ngo-7 kwenye indawo ufike ngo-9 la umbone sefika emsebenzini ngo-11 emini uyilana afike khona zonke indawo uzikhavile izikhathi zakhona. This is Babu Dr. Babu says Bojalo mfana mhlanje akhehla lapha ngwami ngikubekele lento le. Yabo lento ujwayele lento le. But into ngifuna ukuyikhuluma la lento why I took this and ngayibeka la so that uzokwazi ukuthi ingene engqondweni. Ngifuna ukufundisa abantu ukuthi akuyona yonke into esesigubhini ezosiza umuntu. Sikhona into esibiza ukuthi 7 eyes of peacock. Amehlo epeacock awu 7. These are the eyes epeacock. We call these eyes. Yabo lokho njani ngapha? Yakubona kunjani? These are the eyes. These are the eyes of peacock. These are the eyes. Okunye uyakuthola la uthola ukuthi ku blank la akunawo amehlo. We need eyes. We need eyes. We need eyes. Uma ke ngizokhanda umuntu ngalento 7 eyes of peacock usuke right lo muntu usuke right lo muntu angisuke lo muntu omsangana mina usuke right lo muntu ufika la kumina ungiphathele izingubo zakho ezindala zokuhlala ekhaya usuke na 100,000 ungenawo yeka ungiphathela ingubo zakho ezindala zokuhlala ekhaya. You understand? Mase ungiphathele imali eyenele ukuthi sizothenga imbuzi enkulu kunazo zonke intondolo. If umuntu wesifazane sizothenga intondolo, if uyindoda sizothenga intondolo ngoba yikho imbuzi eplazini enkulu ngaphezulu entondolo. Sifuna lembuzi ekuthiwa 3800, 3700, 3600, sifuna lo mbuzi leyo. Kule mbuzi what I want ngifuna inqina. Uma uyibambile imile ngifuna inqina la ka left linqunye lapha phansi. Uyabona nje uma uyibambile imile, ngifuna lelo nqina ke kukhishwe lelo nqina. Bese siligaye silakhele into yakho oyosebenza ngayo. Uma ufika lapha ekhaya uthola impuphu ledliwayo, ubheke indawo, into embike nina amagceke enu senawo akhonka wonke, ubheke indawo enenhlabathi, ufike kule mpuphu uyibeke ibe uround kanje le mpuphu le. Bese lo msebenzi ufika nawo, ufike ubeke lapha ya kule mpuphu leyana, but akube isikhathi lana izulu linganethi khona. Uma nje izulu linganethi, that is what to do. Listen to me carefully. Lana is 7 eyes of peacock. Akusona isithwalo, umsebenzi nje womuntu osuke ethi una 100,000 mase siyakukhandela ke ngeqiniso. Njengoba ngizokukhandela lento le, ngifuna ukuthi wenze njenake. Ungithathele amatshe, yabona lawa amadekwe kwakho umgaqo, ku-granite noma amaya kwakho labekwa ngaphezulu kwethuni, soft stones. Thathe lo matshe abe u2. Uma usuyobheka igwagwa la banana, khona amakhasi lamakhulu abanana. Uthathe lona ulisike kabili, usike into encane nje engange-X mhlawumbe nje usike ophisa abangaka babe u2. Uma usuthatha amanzi uwafake ebhakedeni elu10 liter. Ngesikhathi ngizokunika lento. Kuze ukuthi lento izokwenzeka, ufika kumina osuyenzile le nto. Uthathe amatshe abe u2, uthathe amakhasi lekhulu abanana usike kabili bengaka nje. Uma uya emgaqweni la ophambana kanje crossroad, little crossroad. Uya lapha ebusuku ngo12. Ufike ubeke le amakhasi abanana unyathela ngapha uma ubeka lamatshe lawa. Ubeke lamatshe lawa kulamakhasi abanana, mase uthatha amanzi wafaka usawoti ekuthiwa i-sea salt. Ikelela ukuthi kubhalwe ukuthi sea salt not table salt. There is difference between sea salt and table salt. Angiphindi kunomehluko phakathi kwa sea salt and table salt. Lana ke uzofika wena ke ugeze ke lana ke uphehle amanzi ucele kakhulu ukuthi namhlanje uthatha umsebenzi okukuthi nokuthi imali yami lengikhipha imali yokugcina nginayo imali yengane zami ngifuna ukuthi lo msebenzi ngowulanda ube ukuthi nokuthi uma usuyathatha lamanzi la wathele ekhanda ehlathi yakwenza ukuthi ngithini mase uthatha le bucket le ulimboze la kulamakhasi lawa analamatshe ulimbozelana ungasulu hambe straight ongena emotweni uhamba uzothi umbabudotela la sekhona kunobugebengu endlela esimanga nginganqunywa mase ngingenza nginayo ke ifacility enjalo lana siphila impilo esiyithandayo sinama crossroad everywhere 12 ebusuku kusuke sekuquiet we do what we want engisho ukuthi lo msebenzi ke lona angikudayiseli lento mina ngikusebenza ngayo yabo njoba inehlo kanjena nje ngikhipha ke mina ezo7 la mase ngikusebenza ngazo mase ngiphinde futhi ngizibuyisele kanje la zibuyele la. This is for me ukusiza labo bantu labo engisuke ngifuna ukubasebenza ngalomsi kodwa ke into engesona isithwala engayiniki noma ubani. I rather have it here kwanje okula kumina akungulisi nakancane. This is Babu Dr. Bawesizwe Jam. Yeah, mhlaka 1 July 1 sikhiphe ishoshozela sikhiphe ishesha ngenele imali lu 3000 rand. Ishesha lingene lisebenza kanje nake. Angilakhelanga noma ubani. I came to a conclusion now ukuthi I must be proud about imithengi yakhe ngingathi nje is a mass produce for everybody. Njengoba ngikhiphe ishoshozela ishesha kunabantu baseSwazini abathi abanawo amakhadi asebank abaseLesotho baseMozambique baseZimbabwe abanamakhadi kodwa abantu bafuna ukusizakala. Ngeke uzokwazi ukulisebenza ngoba ngifuna mulithatha ishoshozela thatha ikhadi lakho lasebank uliphendule ngaphambili ngakuwena ubusuzigcoba ngamafutha kunamafutha ozwathola lapha ebudotela ekuthiwa aweshoshozela uwagcoba ukhuluma ukuthi ishoshozela ufuna lenzeni kuleli khadi ufuna le khadi kwenzekeni uthatha indwangu emhlophe usuligoqe kanje ufaka phansi umcane ulale lento uyenza for 7 days lento kodwa kunemfihlo laphana enhle kunemfihlo laphana yiqiniso kunemfihlo lapha engifuna ukuthi ngikunika yona uzothi uma usulithuma ishoshozelo uzothi uma usulithuma uvule kancane eminyango uma usuyalishisa uma usuliphephethe ngale khadi lasebank uyiphephethe lento uyiphephethe ukhulume yonke into wena oyifunayo okuningi yokutshela ubaba Dr. Babusizwe Jabulile ngeke okunye sikukhulumela ngoba umsebenzi usigodla kona we social media. This is Babu Dr. Babusizwe Jabulile. Churu take le number ebhala evele lana musu yangithini bantu beseSwazini ngizobe ngiseSwazini imbabane insuku 2 kubaba uSimelane ngoshiya umsebenzi ngoshiya ishoshozela ngoshiya ishesha lingene ngoba abantu baseSwazini bathi abakwazi ukuthi bana amakhadi asebhenki ngaleswazini hayi ngakho uzofike ngushiye ngaleswazini ngithi nina baseSwazini ngizolanda lokuthi kodwa naye uma ebenayo imali yokulikhokhela ngoba phela ufuna khokhe ngeke ufuna khokhe njengoba umshiyano umsebenzi ufuna khokhe. This is Babu Dr. Babu Sisi Bojabulile Turu Siyandana. Goodbye.